Only Fools and Horses fans will know that one of Del Boy's many catchphrases was, "This time next year, we'll be millionaires." I always thought he lacked ambition. "This time next year, I'm going to be a billionaire. By the year after that, I will have the body of a Greek king. And by 2025, I will have regrown a luxurious mane of hair and have the face of Brad Pitt." Unrealistic? Possibly. But is it any more unrealistic than the latest pronouncement from the Civil Engineering Contractors Association, the Construction Leadership Council, and Construction Minister Nusrat Ghani? Together, they have launched the Zero Diesel Sites Route Map that sets out how diesel will be eliminated from UK construction sites by 2035. Delivery of the route map will apparently put in place support to roll out hydrogen, electricity, and other cleaner power sources, promote early wins by boosting efficiency and cutting diesel use by existing plant and asking companies to reduce the use of diesel generators, help businesses to develop their own company's diesel reduction plans, engage with clients to secure commitments that ban diesel use, and track data on industry diesel consumption to confirm progress over time. But, as with all political pronouncements, the devil is in the detail. Let's take a look at those aims again. Put in place support to roll out hydrogen, electricity, and other cleaner power sources. You'll note there is no mention of actually building the required infrastructure. They're just going to put in place support. Promote early wins by boosting efficiency and cutting diesel use by existing plant and asking companies to reduce the use of diesel generators. I thought companies had already been asked, or should that be forced, to reduce their use of diesel. Help businesses to develop their own company's diesel reduction plans. Presumably, this will be in the form of a memo that says, "Oi, stop using diesel." Engage with clients to secure commitments that ban diesel use. Presumably, this will be clients saying, "Please stop twisting my arm, I promise to use less diesel." And the final one, track data on industry diesel consumption to confirm progress over time. Let us all bow to the new diesel police force. Despite the fact that 2035 is just 12 years away, the proclamation makes no mention of the industry's apparent reluctance to embrace electric power machines for anything other than a handful of highly specialised applications. It doesn't mention either that despite commitments to a hydrogen future, no equipment manufacturer has yet produced such a machine and made it commercially available. Nor does it mention that the UK's electricity power supply is already at breaking point, that the UK currently has no hydrogen infrastructure to speak of, that we haven't worked out what to do with spent lithium-ion batteries at the end of their working life, that we don't know the likely resale value of electric machines, let alone hydrogen equipment. Making pronouncements is easy, anyone can do it. Delivering on them is quite another matter. And that's why the statement from the Civil Engineering Contractors Association and the Construction Leadership Council makes no mention of them delivering upon this far-fetched promise. Instead, it has merely set a target that the UK's construction and demolition companies will be expected to meet in a little over a decade. By comparison, becoming a millionaire in a year seems like a perfectly reasonable aim.